Hello everyone and welcome back to What Concept. On today's video, we'll be talking on trading psychology. Welcome to the world of trading psychology, where greatest battles are fought not against the market but against ourselves. We are often told that success depends on having the right strategy, the best indicators, or the most advanced trading tools. But the truth is, even with the trading techniques, our mind can be our greatest obstacle. In this lesson, we'll explore the fantasy world of trading, where our emotions, bias, and habits can make or break our trading success. We'll dwell in the most common trading pitfalls that traders face and provide you with practical strategy for overcoming them. Whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just this lesson will give you the insight and the tools you need to master the mind game of the trading and achieve your goal. So, introduction. Psychology can be referred to the mental and emotional aspect of trading that can impact your trading decision. It can also impact your behavior and your ultimate performance. So, in this video, we'll share this topic under three sections. Section 1, understanding the trading psychology. So let's define this. Trading psychology is the study of how psychological facts can influence our trading decisions and behavior. And note, trading psychology is important because it can affect your trading performance, impact your emotional well-being. Trading psychology, emotional logical analysis, cognitive bias, systematical errors in thinking and decision can perceive and assess risks, confidence, and decision. Section 2, common trading psychological mistakes we traders often make. Number 1, fear and greed. For fear, avoiding trade due to fear of losses. Maybe you made some series of losses on a particular trade and fear sets in. Another example is greed. Taking excessive risk due to desire for profit. Not sticking to your risk management. Example, John, a novice trader, is said due to fear. Experienced trader takes on excessive leverage due to greed, resulting in significant loss. Another example for common trading psychological mistakes, confirmation bias. Seeing information that confirm exit belief, ignoring contradictory information. Example of this, Mike, a bullish trader outlooks on the market, ignoring the bearish views. Another example we'll be looking at is anchoring bias. Let's say relying too heavy on initial information, failing to adjust to new information. Okay, let's use this as example. Emily trader setting a stop loss on an initial analysis but fails to adjust when the market condition change. Another example we'll be looking at is aversion, preferring to lose over achieving gain, holding on trades too long. Most of we traders were more this often. Let's look at the example. Holding it with turn around rather than cutting its loss and moving on. Let me say you enter a trade and from the buy position and you see the market isn't going in your direction, the market isn't in your favor. You hold on to the trade, hoping it turns around rather than accepting your loss and closing position. You hold on to that trade. Another example we're looking at is overconfidence. Overestimate one's ability or knowledge, taking excessive risks, either become overconfident and start taking excessive leverage. Your confidence boost is so high that you open a position that even if the market isn't going your way, you still hold on to that position maybe for weeks, for days, and because of overconfidence, you enter that position and you still hold on, and even if the market is not going your way, you still hold on till you end up blowing the account. Let's go over to the next section. The next section we have is Strategies for managing trading psychology. Strategies for managing trading psychology. And the first one we have here is developing a trading plan. You can set a clear goals and risk management strategy, establish entry and exit rules. For me as a trader, I will advise each and every trader or those that are intending to go into forex trading to have a clear trading plan and set realistic goals, come up with a good risk management plan, establish a good entry and exit rules. When I mean establish a good entry and exit rules, for example, if I enter a trade, whenever I'm in a trade and maybe it hits my SL, I won't re-enter the trade again. I will allow it, I will just watch it play out, but I won't re-enter the trade. Example, create a trading plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and entering and exit strategy. So it's very simple. You create your plan, set a realistic goal, and watch it. Set a realistic goal. Another example is practice emotional control. Recognize and manage your emotions. Use techniques like meditation, deep breaths, or journaling. Example, take a few minutes each day to practice breathing exercise and reflect on your emotions before you embark on any trade. Focus on process, not outcome. Emphasize the trading process rather than focusing solely on profit. Concentrate on executing trading Concentrate on executing trade according to your plan. Yeah, most of us that are maybe new to the trading or new to forex trading, some are more eager on the profits. They don't want to follow it step by step. It's not a sprint race, it's a marathon race, slow and steady. Instead of focusing on a certain amount of money, focus more on executing your trading plan. Have a good mentorship, stick to the plan and your risk management. Stay disciplined. Number four, stay disciplined. Adhere to your trading plan and rules. Avoid impulsive decision. This also happens in the market. Impulsive decision where you will just be eager to enter this trade. Impulsive. You didn't calculate. You didn't stick to the rules because you saw it going maybe in your own strategy. You just analyze and you are just so eager to enter the trade. Stick to your trading plan even when you face unexpected market movement or emotions. So the fifth one we'll be looking at is constant learning and improving. Stay updated with market skills and strategy. So the fifth one we'll be looking at is constantly learning and improving. Stay up to date with market and news analysis. Refine your trading skills and strategy. It's self-explanatory. Stay updated, be eager to learn new on the forex market, on the market chart. Always go through your chart, if not twice a day, but once every day. Allocate time for each week to review market analysis, read trading books, and refine your trading strategy. Stay updated, refine your trading strategy. Look for courses that will help you advance more on trading. So, conclusion, trading psychology is a critical aspect for successful trading. By understanding common trading psychological mistakes and implementing strategies for managing emotions, risks, and discipline, traders can improve and achieve their goals. So, in other words, trading is a critical component for successful trading. By understanding how our emotions, bias, and habits influence our trading decision, we could step out to manage our psychological and improve our performance. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline and patience and a deep understanding of ourselves and the market. By incorporating the strategy and techniques outlined in this lesson into your trading routine, you will be better equipped to navigate the challenges of the market and achieve your trading goals. Ultimately, master, mastering the mind games of trading is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, self-reflection, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. By embracing this journey and prioritizing your trading psychology, your well-being, you will be on your way to become a successful and profitable trader. See you all in my next video. For those that are new, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay updated to our latest content. Peace out.